Welcome to our guide on mastering the down command, a crucial skill in dog obedience training. The down command is fundamental, forming the basis for many advanced behaviors and promoting calmness. Start with the luring method. Use a treat to guide your dog's nose down, rewarding when they lie down. Gradually fade the lure and introduce verbal cues, saying "down" just before you guide them. Use shaping and clicker training to break down the behavior, rewarding each step towards a full down. Try the capturing method by rewarding your dog when they naturally lie down, then add the verbal cue. Practice in different locations to help your dog generalize the command. Pro tip: train when your dog is a bit tired for better results. Mastering down enhances your bond and provides a reliable way to keep your dog calm and controlled. For more detailed training tips, click the link in the description.